What's up, guys? 2017 Contenders 4-box random number 3. We're going live 259. I already have the teams and the names in. We randomize both. Wherever you go in the spreadsheet is what you get. 4 or more, it's a 9. 9 times on the teams. And 9. Patriots on top. Colts on the bottom. BEJHMZ is the code for the teams. Again, 4 or more. 3, not going to work. Got to roll them again. 6. It seems kind of laggy for some reason. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, was that it? 5? Wow, for some reason I read 6, but I guess it was a 5. Tony on top and Ralph on the bottom. BOPIDS is the code for the names. There you go, guys. That's who you have. And we are done. Wait for it to tick over. 301. Thanks, guys. Good luck.